Hello everybody, and welcome back to Slow English Learning. Join me as we walk through the countryside of Hampshire. Today we are going for a long afternoon walk in Hampshire, England. What is this on the right? Look in the distance. Can you see the horse? Can you see the white horse? Very unique. White like Bella, if she didn't have so many black spots. There is a tunnel up ahead. A tunnel made for a train. This used to be an old railway line. The shape of the entrance is amazing. It must have been very difficult to build. Let's pass through the tunnel. It's a bit dark in here and a bit smelly. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's only a short tunnel. I am happy it's a short tunnel. We are nearly at the local village. I think this is the way to go. Let's turn right down here towards the village.
Come, Bella.
I am walking zigzag down the path. There is a road up ahead. I should be careful with Bella.
Stay.
Yes, here is the road.
Have a treat. Good girl.
Here you go. Have a treat. I am trying
Bella.
to put the lead back on.
What?
I made that difficult. Finally, she is on the lead and safe. We are about to enter a quaint little village. There is a major road we need to cross. Cars drive fast on this road. The village is called Dean Village. Watch out, something big and loud is coming down the road. It's a tractor. That was close. Farmers are always working hard. Did you see the size of the wheels? Large wheels don't get stuck in the mud and get good friction when pulling and carrying objects. Across the road is a white building. This is a pub. Seeing it makes me thirsty and makes me want to rest after this long walk. A red telephone booth. This is quintessentially British. It's operating. I wonder if it ever gets used. My dad never carries his mobile phone when he leaves the house. I'm sure he'd be pleased to know these telephone booths are still around and working. Let's carry on down through the village. To the left is a tea house. A great place to meet friends for tea and biscuits. What a lovely spot. These stone buildings are so charming. I believe this building and wall on the right are built with flint stone. Flint is all over the hills of Hampshire, England. It has been used to build many houses here. Historically, flint was used for creating sparks for fires and making sharp tools. It is an incredibly hard stone. The Romans built sites in this region of England, and one of the main reasons for this was due to the abundance and value of this stone. That's the whole town. I told you it was quaint. Time to head back into the countryside.
Come, Bella. Come.
Let's take Bella off the lead again. She enjoys the freedom.
Easy.
I'm sorry. He's just a bit too bouncy. Corey! Corey, come
He's
here.
excitable.
Don't be so rude. Come here. Corey,
She's after you, Bella.
Did you say something wrong, Bella?
I think she likes you, Belly.
That old dog seems a bit grumpy
Come on,
with
girl.
you. Never mind. You can't help the way you look. Don't take it to heart. These are working horses. Before machines, horses help farmers pull ploughs, carry heavy loads, and work the land. Even today, some farmers still use horses for traditional tasks. Beautiful. Let's move on. It's getting dark. I think it might be time to return home. I usually don't follow Bella. She leads me in the opposite direction to home. She would walk these hills all night if it was up to her. I will go the opposite way to her. I think the way is to the right. I scared a bird out of the shrubs. He'll have to find a new spot to spend the night. What a beautiful evening sky. Look at all the colours in the sky. Blue, red, orange, yellow. Am I missing any? The sun sets at about 4 p.m. in the south of England at this time of year. It will be dark by 5 p.m. today. The days are very short at this time of year. It makes walking anywhere difficult if you have a full-time job. It's a little lighter than the video shows, as you may be able to imagine. I can still see where I am going. I need to study my camera filters. Two dogs are having a standoff. Who will flinch first? She's charging. Oh, she stopped. I suppose she wasn't
What does that mean,
expecting
Bella?
that reaction. I think they found love.
Come, Bella.
Rhythm and rhyme help us understand and remember. Here is a poem by John Keats to remind you of what you've learnt in this video. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new mode mid. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead. In summer luxury he is never done with his delights, for when tired out with fun he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. On a lone winter evening, when the frost has wrought a silence, from the stove there shrills the cricket's song, in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one, in drowsiness half lost, the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, everybody, and good on you.